Hi students, I'm getting some messages that some of you don't know how to attach your notebook, and some of you have turned in your assignment without attaching your notebook today. So I'm going to go over those directions one more time with you. This was posted in the video directions, but here's just the steps for turning in. So if you go to your Google Classroom, you go to the Classwork tab. Here's your assignment for today. I'm going to click on that. After you have found your notebook and you've updated pages 5 through 8, you're going to click View Assignment. Then you're going to click this button, Add or Create, up here. I want it from my Google Drive. My notebook should load here in a minute. Here's my notebook. I'm going to hit select my notebook. I'm going to hit insert. Here it is loading, and then turn in. Yes, I would like to turn in this notebook. Turn in. Okay, please make sure you attach your notebook before hitting the turn in button. This is the process for turning the notebook in. If I return the assignment to you here in a few minutes and say you forgot the attachment, you need to attach your notebook and resubmit, okay? Yours will then say resubmit. If you need help or you want me to walk you through it one-on-one, you can find me on Google Meet. The code is Welch Help. Thank you.